This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Stephanie Eigelhart. This well-known Madrid floor plan offers beautiful wide views of Coronado Golf Course holes 7 and 8 from both inside as well as from the long deck across the entire back of this home. This spacious home is located halfway in between the Coronado Fitness Center and Tennis Club, and the Balboa Lake, Marina, and Beach. It is just around the corner from the canopied Cedar Creek Trail, as well as several eateries, including the HSV Beehive boasting great food, music and ambience. This large living room extends into the formal dining room while the kitchen offers some privacy as well as its breakfast room and countertop seating. While 3 bedrooms are split across the front and side of the home, the 4th bedroom makes for a wonderful office west/views to the golf course and direct access to the back deck and hidden laundry area. Half of the 2-car garage provides a generous space for a large storage or work area. This home has so many possibilities. A great golf rental investment property west/the 4th bedroom used as an owner's room, a retirement home west/plenty of space for family to visit and enjoy relaxing golf and views, or an amazing family home directly on the golf course at an affordable price. For more information,